We had a nice little rebound from Wednesday. What happened?
Yes, we did. Yesterday, the Dow was up 98 points, closed at 24,216. It was another volatile day with the Dow up over 190 points and down over 100 before closing in the middle. Healthcare lagged after the Amazon news. Financials and technologies were higher. Oil continued its run higher, closing up 0.75% to 73.31. And the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.847%. So,
all right.
Decent day yesterday.
All right. You mentioned Amazon. What was that news yesterday?
Right. Amazon is buying an online pharmacy pill pack for close to $1 billion. This is their latest entry into the healthcare sector. The deal will give Amazon a pharmaceutical license in 49 states and tens of thousands of customers. Selling in the stocks of CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid took out $12 billion in market cap value as investors feared they would suffer from pricing pressure after the deal. The deal is expected to close in the second half of this year.
Is this part of this Chase, Jamie Dimon, Warren Buffett, Amazon deal?
Yeah, I guess it seems like just part of Amazon taking over the world.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll sit and wait and watch what happened there. Final look at fourth quarter GDP. What's that about?
Right. The final look at fourth quarter GDP was a disappointment as the numbers were revised down from 2.2% to a flat 2%. A slowdown in consumer spending accounted for most of the revision. Customer spending is a big part of our economy, and spending was taken down by 0.1% to plus 0.9%, the slowest growth in 5 years. Most investors are expecting a much bigger number in the second quarter, so we'll have to see how that number comes out.
All right, that's there. And then finally, what are we hearing from Nike?
Now, Nike reported strong earnings yesterday after the bell. Revenue jumped 13% to $9.8 billion on a return to growth in North America. Nike made a profit of $1.1 billion, or 69 cents a share. Both numbers beat expectations, and the stock jumped 4% in after-hours trading. Nike also announced a $15 billion share buyback.
Wow. That's a lot of shoelaces. All right.
That's a lot of shoes.
What's the plan for the markets next week? Are they closed any day next week, just Wednesday, or what's the story for next week?
Yes, they are. Let's see. The market will be closed on Wednesday, and we're going to have a half a day on Tuesday, July 3rd.
Half a day on Tuesday. Okay. How do the markets look today, Scott Crothers?
Well, today, the Dow futures right now look up about 87 points. We expect a slow day today, before the short holiday week next week. So.
All right. Scott, have yourself a good weekend, and we'll check in with you Monday.
Sounds great.